Hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. I just needed to do a quick mail call from Willy The Coin Viking. I actually won his Flash GAW the other day, so I am presuming this is it. I mean, I thought it was like yesterday or the day before that I won it, and this is already here. So maybe I was just tied up doing that refine I had to do. But anyhow, so I believe this is the proof set. If I can get this open without destroying it. Look at there, I did it. Got it. Here's our package. Set this over here. And it says, "Congrats Backyard Scrapping on winning my Flash GAW. You are awesome. Willy The Coin Viking." Well, thank you very much, Willy. You are awesome as well. I love your channel. I love what you do. When I'm feeling a little crappy, all I got to do is go on your channel and I'm for sure to get a laugh. So let's cut this open. And I know this is a sealed set, but the fact that it's not going anywhere and the fact that I am going to keep this means I can open it. So let's see if we can do it without tearing it up too bad, because like I said, it ain't going anywhere. You know what? I'm keeping it. It's mine. Ooh, I know that hurt. Did that hurt? I know that had to hurt somebody out there, but it didn't hurt me. Never been open, guys. First time since 1962. First time. And look at that beautiful set. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I know there's something about keeping them sealed and not opening them, but you know what? What good is it if I can't look at it? And that is absolutely gorgeous. So there it is, guys. Beautiful set. I know that looks like a mark on the haft, but it's not. It's actually the rim scratching the plastic. There's the back side. Absolutely beautiful set. Willy, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. The original 1962. Amazing that has been in that envelope for 56 years. 56 years it was in this envelope, and some clown like me comes along and opens it. Well, that's in my perma stack, so I'll open it if I want, like I said. Alrighty guys, we'll let you go. Appreciate you watching. A link to Willy will be up here and also down in the description area. Thanks again, Willy. I really appreciate it. That is a beautiful set. And good luck to everybody on his next Flash GAW. Don't forget, go over to his channel, check out that video. I don't remember exactly which one it is, but that'll give you, you'll have to go through and look at it and sign up. So we will catch you all in the next video. Have a good one.